This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use TKB's glass base. It's a pre-made lip gloss base. So what I've done is I'm going to use Toulouse. This is a color grind that I use. The recipe is in my liquid lipstick. I'll put a link to that. So what you would do is use the same color recipe, except for you will blend it in the in your grinder, and then you're only going to portion out part of the color. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to put 5 mils into this cup. So this is TKB's glass base. So this is from tkbtrading.com. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze out 5 mils, and I always put like a smidge more, just to make sure I fill the tube. All right, just a little bit more. Okay, that's going to be 5 mils, and you'll be able to mix it in this little cup as well, so it's real quick and easy. All right, and then I'm going to use 1 tad of the color grind Toulouse. This is a little measuring spoon I get from TKB Trading. They have 5, it's 5 in a set. It's a tad, a dash, a pinch, a smidge, and a drop. Okay, I'll put that aside. And then all you have to do from here is stir it. So we're gonna stir this up real quick. Okay, now that that is completely blended, we're going to pour it into this 5 mil lip gloss tube, which I also get from tkbtrading.com. And this should fill the entire tube. I'll show you where to fill it to, because if you go any further than that point, you won't be able to put the brush in. I have put too much, so let me check it and see. So I'm gonna scoop a smidge of that out. A little bit messy, but once you start doing it, it'll go faster and easier. Okay, so what you want to do is when you do fill it, you only want to go to this part of the lip gloss tube. If you fill it any more than that, the brush is not going to fit in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tap this and make the top part that I put in there go down further into the tube. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the stopper. Oh, let me wipe the top of it. Just make it cleaner because I got a little bit on the rim. Okay. And I always keep 91% alcohol next to me because I clean everything with that. Okay, so once you slip that in there, then you can take this and put it in. And if it doesn't, if it pops out, you know you put too much. And then if you twist it tight, it pushes the stopper in there. Well, so since the stopper did not come out with the brush, that tells me that was filled correctly. So like I said, no more than this. And then you can look up the color recipe. I'll put a link to the other video that has that. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions. And this was Toulouse lip gloss, and this is really easy. It's just your color and the TKB glass base. Okay, Thank you.